Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in another technical video where I am going to show you how to install Netflix on Mac. There are many online users who watch Netflix, and it is very easy and comfortable if you have installed it on your Mac Finder. So easy to enjoy and see our different movies and shows. So in this video, let's continue and see how you can install Netflix on Mac. So for that, write on your internet browser Netflix and just open the website. If you have sign in or login, you can just create sign in and login accordingly. I don't have a sign in, so I'm just showing you how you can install it, right? You just have to copy this link and paste it here on your desktop. So as you can see, you have to just drag and paste the link, and then we can change its logo, but then we need to have an Netflix PNG. Let's search for an image which gives us easy handy look for surfing. So let's take this copy image and let's go to desktop where we have saved the file. Right here, click on get info and then just click it here with paste. As you can see, it has been pasted, and now just close it and drag it here to your finder so it will be easily accessible for you. Let's try it out if it works. So this is the link. Let's open, and there we go. So in this simple step, you can install Netflix on your Mac and enjoy your favorite shows and movies anytime, easily accessible. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.